Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the lower ball joint on a Ford Ranger. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands. Safety is paramount, so always wear eye protection and gloves. You will need common tools like a floor jack, various sockets, wrenches, a pry bar, and a specialized ball joint press for this repair. First, safely remove the wheel, then detach the brake caliper and rotor. Carefully disconnect the ABS sensor wire and secure the axle out of the way to prevent damage. Next, remove the cotter pin and the large castle nut from the lower ball joint. Use a ball joint separator or a hammer to free the steering knuckle. Finally, remove the snap ring and use a ball joint press to extract the old ball joint from the control arm. With the old ball joint removed, thoroughly clean the mounting bore in the lower control arm to ensure a proper fit. Now, carefully position the new ball joint and use your ball joint press to install it firmly into the control arm. Once seated, install the snap ring and the grease fitting. Apply a few pumps of fresh grease to the new joint. Then, guide the steering knuckle back onto the ball joint stud. Now, reinstall the castle nut onto the ball joint stud and insert a new cotter pin, bending its ends to secure it. Torque the lower ball joint castle nut to 76 foot-pounds. Reattach the brake rotor and caliper, tightening the caliper bolts to 29 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the wheel, torquing the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Remember, a professional wheel alignment is crucial after this repair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.